Manasa, Deha, Geha, Jo Kichu Moro. This is a song sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He is teaching the process of full surrender. Manasa, Deha, Geha, Jo Kichu Moro. First of all, he is surrendering the mind, because mind is the origin of all kinds of speculation. And rendering devotional service means first controlling the mind. Therefore he says, Manasa means mind, then Deha, senses, Sharir. Deha means this body. Body means senses. So if we surrender the mind unto the lotus feet of Krishna, then automatically the senses also become surrender. Then my home, Deha, Geha, Geha means home. Jo Kichu Moro, our all possessions are comprising these three things: mind, body, and our home. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur proposes to surrender everything. Orpinu Tvapade Nanda Kishara. Nanda Kishara is Krishna. So I am surrendering my mind, my body, and my home unto you. Now, Sampade Vipade Jivane Mare. Either I am in happiness or I am in distress, either I am living condition or I am dead. Daimomo Gela Thua Upadavana. Now I am relieved. I am feeling relief because I have surrendered unto you everything. Maharavi Rakhavi Jaichatvara. Now it is up to you whether you like to keep me or you want to kill me. That depends on you. Nitya Dasha Prati Thua Udhikara. You have got every right to do whatever you think right and relation with your servant. I am your eternal servant. Janmavayavi moe ichha deditoro. If you so desire, because a devotee goes back to home, goes back to Godhead. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur proposes, if you like that I shall again take birth, it doesn't matter. Bhakto gihe jani janma ho. That's only request is that if I have to take my birth, please kindly give me the chance of taking my birth in a devotee's house. Kita janma ho jathatva. I don't mind if I am born as an insect, but I must be in the house of a devotee. Bahirmukh Brahma janme nahi moras. I do not like non-devotee like even I am born as a Lord Brahma. I want to remain with the devotee. Bhukti mukti spriha bihina je bhakta. I want such devotee who doesn't care for material happiness or spiritual liberation. Labhaite tako sanga nurag. I simply desire to be associated with such pure devotee. Janaka janani daita tanaya. Now, henceforward, you are my father, you are my brother, you are my daughter, you are my son, you are my Lord, you are my spiritual master, you are my husband, everything you are. Bhakati Vinada kahe suna kana. My Lord, Kana, Krishna, you are a lover of Radharani, but you are my life and soul. Kindly give me protection.